Welcome. If you're tired of missing crucial emails and want to make sure you're instantly notified every time an important message lands in your Gmail inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Notify for every message for important emails in Gmail, so you never miss what matters most. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Now, tap on the email account where you want to enable these notifications. Here, find and tap on Manage Labels. This section lets you customize notifications for specific types of messages. From the list, tap on Important. This is the label Gmail uses for emails it thinks are high priority for you. Now, tap on Sync Messages. You'll see options like Last 30 Days or All. Choose the one that fits your needs. If you want to be notified about every important email, even older ones, select All. Otherwise, Last 30 Days will limit notifications to recent messages. Once you've set up syncing, check the box for Label Notifications. This tells Gmail to send notifications for emails marked as important. Finally, check the box labeled Notify for every message. This is the key step. By enabling this, you'll receive a notification for every single important email, not just the first one or a summary. And that's it. You've now set up Gmail to alert you every time an important email arrives. This is perfect for staying on top of work updates, urgent requests, or anything you simply can't afford to miss. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other labels or accounts you want to customize. Take control of your inbox and make sure you're always in the know. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.